Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Gather ingredients first. 128 Oz can crush tomatoes, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tsp red pepper flakes, 1 tsp sugar, 1/2 tsp salt, and 1 bay leaf. Chop 1 medium onion finely and mince 4 garlic cloves. Set aside 1/4 cup fresh basil chopped and 1/4 cup parsley for finishing. Keep a measuring spoon for 1 tsp and 1/2 tsp, a 2 tablespoon measure, and a medium saucepan ready. Missy en place speeds the process and ensures timing accuracy during cooking. Heat the saucepan over medium heat and add 2 tablespoon olive oil. Sauté the chopped onion for 6 to 8 minutes until translucent but not browned. Add 4 minced garlic cloves and cook 1 minute to release aroma, then stir in 1 tsp red pepper flakes for heat. Pour 128 Oz can crushed tomatoes, add 1 tsp sugar, 1/2 tsp salt, and 1 bay leaf. Bring to a gentle simmer. Then reduce heat and simmer uncovered for 20 to 25 minutes to thicken and meld flavors. When the sauce has thickened to your liking, remove 1 bay leaf and stir in 1/4 cup chopped basil and 1/4 cup chopped parsley for fresh brightness. Taste and adjust. Add an extra 1/2 tsp red pepper flakes to increase heat, or 1 tsp sugar to reduce acidity. Add 1/2 tsp salt if needed. Serve over pasta or as a pizza base with 1/2 cup grated Parmesan optional. Cool, then refrigerate up to 4 days or freeze up to 3 months in airtight containers, reheating over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.